How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. So without further delay, let's get started. Now open up Instagram in your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your account. From here, now you have to head over to your chat section. So tap on the chat icon at the top right from the home piece. Once you land on your chat piece, now you have to open up the conversation with the account where you want to delete the chat from the both sides permanently. Tap and open the chat. So once you're here, you could scroll through it and you could search for the chat that you want to delete from the both side permanently. Tap and hold on the chat. Now from this menu box there is an option as Unsend. If you tap on it and then tap on Unsend, now the chat will be deleted from the both sides permanently, as you can see. So you can do this with the all chats on your chat piece. So that's how you can delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.